Hi guys, Bitsenyor, kumusta naman mo? And for today, obvious naman tingin sa title, we are here in Sisilex to witness the Fluvial Parade. Anyway, for those who are new in my channel, I am Doc Save Adantis, a content creator and a proud Cebuano foodie. So let me bring you to a gastronomic experience for you to enjoy Cebu and its rich food culture and karon sad mo travel sa Tanaw, Cebu o even around the Philippines o even outside the Philippines. So here na at karon today, is January 18, 2025. So Fluvial Parade yan sa Cebu. So it usually ang parade or ang procession, Fluvial Parade, Fluvial Procession, muna siya ang procession before the foot procession. So naa sa dagat here. So at least makita sa view, ako na lang i-flip na lang dayon. So usually, Fluvial Procession happens buntag sa Saturday before the Fiesta Senior, in which gikan sa Mandaue, right? Mandaue ba? Wala pula ko. Hala, iba siya din ko ninyo. Iwak ko sa akong history. So, mauna siya. Nga dadon na sa din siya nga sa Basilica Minor del Santo Niño. So, atangan din nato siya. So, mo na siya. Gusto na ko ma-share sa ang view na kung anhi karon. So, here, so that is for you to know or for you to see mo siya ang view sa Sisilex. That's it. Idugay na kami para kita mo. Kung nasa ito sa Picas Masad yun. There. Okay. Then, Sisilex. Nice kayo ang sunrise actually. There. Yeah, that's why we are here because it is actually the third year na. So, dili na ito makitaan technically kung asa siya mo dunggo. Kaya because dunggo siya sa Pier 1 matingali or Pier 2. So, sige, another info na dapat na kong ipahibaw ninyo, no? Ako nang i-research oy. So, anyways, muagi ang kuan yun ang procession ngani or ang Fluvial Procession here maagi din Sisilex. It's on the third year. What you okay ba? Because as I've mentioned, for the last 2 years I was in Mandani. So manang wa ko kay ba nga muagi na di ay siya Sisilex. So yeah, as of the moment, time checks it already 6:18. So this is the situation in 6:18 here in Sisilex. So I'll update you probably every 15 to 20 minutes. So, I'm just giving you a quick view already. Kaya mo na again, ako gusto i-share ang sunrise. Kaya nice kaya ang sunrise. But actually, the sunrise is quite there. And actually, nagkadagan sa ng tao here. So, here, I'm actually, as I've heard, aside from the media, they are also inviting, aside from content creators and media, family members or employees of Sisilex are here also to view the Fluvial Procession in this area. So, an update, it's 6:38 already. And as of the moment, magyapon ni siya ang status na mo here in Sisilex. Medyo layo pag yagyapon sila. We don't know kung asa nadapit karon ang galleon though, but from on our standpoint of view, medyo na naman tingali sila sa first bridge. I think mardaghan-daghan na magmakitaan here, so basig duol-duol na yung tingali. Okay, so that's just an update, and I'll update you again after around 15 to 10 minutes. But then anyway, I'd like to share also, like makita ninyo nga sa Picas side, makita ninyo ang sa may pier area, happy kahit na mataw. And yeah, for us also to try to assess the zoom in feature of ato times 2 radio, the zoom in feature of our DJI Osmo Pocket 3 White. Diba? Sorry na, nasabot bitaw siya sa railing. So nara, para makita ninyo there. So makita ninyo ang may port area. Tura ang Maritima. O diba ka na cute nga building with a ribbon. Cute kayo. So yeah, there. So that's it. So yeah, this is the situation right now. It is at 7:02. Okay, so yeah, you might be wondering, I might be talking also in the background since I'm doing also like a video for my vlog. So yeah, for those who are not subscribing in my YouTube channel also, you may subscribe in my YouTube channel. It's The Dentist Is Out. So yeah, this is it. It's here already. So naguna na ang Marine Navy. So then again guys, dool na gyud ang galleon here. So I will be very happy if ever you are going to share this live also, so more people can witness the fluvial parade through my live. Thank you. So, grabe kayo ka-nice because naman the airplane nga maglabay-labay og confetti. I just learned it or just noticed it now though. So, cute sa kaysa tanawon. So yeah guys, if you have noticed, there's like a white boat. First, probably you can see in your video na ay tulo ka buok white nga boat. So actually it's the third white nga boat. Mauna siya ang naaang Santo Niño. So yes guys, so naana ang ato ang galleon gyud. Actually it's the third white boat which appears left on your screen. Mauna siya ang ato ang naang galleon. Hi Jel. Jel, did I reply to you? Ari man mag-chat to eh. Ari man mag-chika sa kuan live. Sa in your screen, I'm actually niagi na ang boat. It is the one on the left. I'll try to rotate. Hopefully, dili mausap ang angle. I'll try to rotate a little bit. Pwede ra di ay. So here, it is now on the left side. So dara. So mauni siya. Di ba pag dara? Mauni siya ang pump boat. There. So here guys. Mauni. again guys, I will be very happy if ever you could share this live so more people can see this live stream. Thank you so much. And for those watching who have not subscribed or followed me yet in this account, please do subscribe or follow me. Thank you so much also. Yes, it's okay.
Check yung mga bagay na dito.
Go. Ano man?
Nasuot ng phone. Nakabantay kang phone yung aning case.
Wala ko kabantay. Pero kaya lang, okay, tanawa na nga. Okay lang. Yes. Na? Basig na. Natingal to sakyanan lang.
Kabantay kang phone na bilin sa sakyan ganina.
Wasa ko kaban. Sa to ang sakyanan wala yun. Walay na bilin. Oo. Sa van makaha, wala. So yeah, that's it guys, naka-again na here. Pero mo balik pa ko no to ang galleon actually. So ni-pass by na siya here sa CCLEX, but mo balik pa ko no to siya. Mo balik pa siya, so that's it. So murag mo diretso siya towards New Star area. So actually if ever you are in the Pasig area, yeah, for my vlog also, nag-extra ako sa akong live. Diba, nice kayo ka nag-vlog ka, nag-live stream pa ka. So yeah, anyway, yeah, for those who are watching in my live, mulaho siya towards New Star area. So actually next time also it's so good also to watch somewhere in that area nasa DI. Kaya mulaho siya towards New Star area over, yeah, mobalik na siya here sa bridge. So yep, I will not cutting my live. Let's wait until mobalik sa siya. Sharing lang guys kay kanagulba pod ba di ay maglingkod here because as of the moment actually I'm squatting here sa CCLEX kanang muuyog man gyud ang bridge no. Yes, again for those who are watching, thank you so much again for watching. You may share also this live so more people can watch my live. And also please do comment down below where you are watching from. Please do say hi, please do wave also. And yeah, you can send stars. Ana para mang budol sagpo. Ana pang Viva Pit Senior. So yeah, in my vlog you can see daghan jud kaayo gud ang mga boats kani join or ni Kuyog. Ibalik ta mo guys ha sa mga kuan there. So yeah, for those who just tune in my live, the Galleon passed by already, and I am here in CCLX. So agi na siya here sa CCLX, but they are returning back. So they are proceeding sa may New Star area, then nga to siya may U-turn. So let's witness again inigbalik nila towards Pier 2. Pier 2 ba? Pier 1? But-but ko. But yeah. Yeah, for those who are watching here in my YouTube vlog also, I am using a ×2 for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So at least you can also witness, like, you can also see. And this is also the quality. Kaya I will not edit this actually. Di ko mag-post edit ani. So at least you would see on sa quality niya. Again, thank you so much for sharing my live, guys. And then again, yeah, please do continually share this so that more people can watch this fluvial parade. And yep, again, the Galleon just passed by CCLX already, but pero mubalik pa to sila. So mo nang I am not ending my live for you can witness ang pagbalik sa atong Galleon towards Pier 2. Sakto ba ko Pier 2? Kung sa'yo Pier 1 di ay sorry na papasaylo na ko ninyo. just try to cut my vlog lang ha to conserve battery also. I'll just turn it back again if ever mo pa daw nagbalik ang galyon.
Careful.
So yeah, as of the moment, this is now the status. It's 6:54 now, so it's almost 7 a.m. So 3:30, 7 a.m. I think the barge or the galleon is now near Pier 2. So, pero malakos pa siya here. So that is the situation right now as of 7 a.m.
Ship 2 002 4402 Malabrig Red. Malabrig. ERP Malabrig.
So guys, that white boat nga padong nangadto mo na siya murag advance party sa boat sa galleon. So the galleon is on its way already. So again, please do share this live kay padong na ang galleon. Thank you. So yeah, nananavy. So I think nanag yun ang boat pa doon. Yes guys, mo ni siya ang boat kani. I don't know makita ninyo guys, pagawas na ang boat soon. Ayan, doon na ang boat or magawas na siya no, sa inyong screen. Yeah, maoni siya guys. Kali. Maoni siya ang boat.
Nothing, that's it.
So yeah, that's it. This is my vlog for the Fluvial Parade 2025. Hopefully next year, si Lex, I'll be here. Kimberly itong position here. It was so good, maaliwala. So guys, then again, I'll end my vlog here. Enjoy your Sinulu weekend. Keep safe, stay hydrated. And again, dog safe. Always reminding to eat in proper proportions. Brush your teeth after eating and just keep smiling. Bye-bye.